equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the HP Victus 15 FA1001NS. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your laptop running smoothly. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. These tools are crucial for accessing the internal components safely. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. This is vital for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is often overlooked but is essential for a thorough maintenance process. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. If you find any screws are particularly stubborn, a little patience and gentle pressure will help. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the panel off, you'll have access to the internal components. Here, you'll want to focus on cleaning the fans and vents. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, which affects performance. Take your can of compressed air and blow out any dust from the fans and vents. Make sure to hold the fan blades in place while doing this to prevent them from spinning too fast. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you get the best advice tailored to your needs. Next, check the RAM and hard drive connections. Gently press down on the RAM sticks to ensure they are seated correctly. If you have an SSD, ensure it is securely connected as well. This can help improve your laptop's speed and responsiveness. After checking the components, it's time to clean the exterior. Use your microfiber cloth to wipe down the keyboard, screen, and outer casing. This not only improves the appearance but also helps prevent dirt from entering the internal components. Before reassembling, take a moment to inspect the battery and any other removable components for wear and tear. If you notice any issues, it's wise to get a quote before repair to avoid further complications down the line. Now, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any rattling or movement during use. Finally, reconnect the battery if you removed it, plug in your laptop, and power it on. You should notice improved performance and a quieter operation after this maintenance. Remember, regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your HP Victus 15 FA1001NS. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to keep your laptop in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.